Hey guys, Danny here, doing a video today on how to add Polygon or Binance Smart Chain or any other blockchain that's compatible with the Metamask Chrome extension wallet. So Metamask is a DeFi wallet, so if you want to know how to set it up and all that, it's really simple. You can just go in your Chrome browser and type in Metamask. You'll see it's an extension. Um, Set it up and make sure you save your seed phrase. Don't take a picture of it. Don't keep it on your computer. Write it down in a couple different notebooks and put it in a few other places. And really, if you want details about that, just look on YouTube. There's millions of videos on how to set up MetaMask. We're going to continue as if you've already set it up. So up here, you got the little fox. That's MetaMask. Click on that. You want to make sure you're signed in first. And up here in the top, you can choose the networks. We can go Ethereum mainnet. Now we're in Ethereum. Go down to Avalanche Fuji testnet. We're in that one now. Tether mainnet. That's how you change networks, right? Now I'm going to show you something here that's going to make everything a lot easier to do. Just click on that, expand view. And this basically opens up so you can see everything better, right? One more thing, there's your address right there. Your address is also right here. If you want to see that address, you're going to click here and hit account details and you can see the full address. All right. So let's get back to it. So we go back to ChainList. Now, all you have to do is, first thing you have to do is on the top here, it says connect wallet. Hit connect wallet. Now your MetaMask is going to pop up and ask you probably if that's okay. Right? Okay. Sometimes it'll ask you, do you want to connect? I've connected this several times, so maybe yeah. Maybe it waits till you add something to ask you if you want to connect. So let's see, I don't think I added this one. This is the Expanse network. If I wanted to add this to my MetaMask, you just click on it. Here comes the fox head. Switch networks. Yeah, switch networks. Okay, now I can go up here. And look, I'm on the Expanse network. That's all it is. So if you want Polygon, just type in POLY. Polygon mainnet, that's the one you want. Add the MetaMask. I'm not going to do it because I already did. You've got the Polygon testnet down here too, but this is the one you want. The currency is Matic. The chain ID is 137. You don't really need to know that. That'll automatically come up with. Up here, when we go down to Polygon mainnet, you have Matic. Matic is the cryptocurrency that you use on the Polygon network. It's a Polygon blockchain, but it uses Matic. So you will need some Matic in your wallet to pay for transaction fees. So when we launch EurekaSwap on Polygon network, you'll have to add in your tokens here. I've got some test ERK there, but that's not worth anything. And anyways, so you'll have an address where you'll add these. I found these on the Polygon network and was going to do some testing with them. I haven't seen the swap site yet. I can't wait. It's getting really close. And anyway, so that's it. That's really all you need to know. Now we're going to have EurekaSwap on Binance Smart Chain too, and you can load that up on MetaMask. Just type in BIN Binance Smart Chain. Binance Smart Chain mainnet. So if you hover the finger over the pointer over the top, you'll see that's the mainnet. If you hover it over here, that's the test net. You want the mainnet. So add the MetaMask, then you'll see, go through the same thing. I've already added it, so I'm not going to do it, but I can go on here, Smart Chain. That's what it comes up with. Bang. I don't have any BNB, but you will need some Binance coin BNB to pay transaction fees in there. And when we get Eureka set up on MetaMask, actually on MetaMask, we're going to add the network here. So you'll just be able to come in here and go bang, bang, bang. You got your ERK, and then you can start adding your tokens, which I'll show you how to do that later, which is actually pretty easy. Yeah, so once we start adding tokens, we'll give you guys the correct contract address. That's how you'll add a token. You'll go down to import tokens. add contract address, paste it in there, it'll come up, and then add the custom token. So when we really know the final version of Eureka IPX, all of our tokens, then we'll give those to you, and they'll be on the Block Explorer, and bang, you'll be able to add them there, and then you'll be able to see them in your wallet here. So that's it, guys. That's what you're going to need to do to get ready to add any compatible network you can add. I added some just for fun, to tell you the truth, because you can scroll through here. You got Chain. I don't really know what that is. Ubique, Metadium, Flare. You can add any of these if you want. I actually added the Chain just for fun. So there it is, guys. That's me done. Hope that helped. Bye.